guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one because it is kind of off the ordinary from what I do. This is a product review, but the product has been purchased with my own money, has not been sent to me. Say hi to Paisley. And it's something that I recently got. Oh, it's only about a week old, and I love this thing. So if you are into fitness and health, and even if you're not into fitness, if you work during the day and you are tired of carrying an insulated lunch bag around or throwing your food in a bag with no insulation, I have the perfect thing for you. It's a 2-in-1 product. I absolutely love this. I've been eyeing this up for months, and I just didn't want to take the plunge on it because it is quite pricey, but it's well worth it. So here we go. This is called the Renee Tote. It is by a company called Six Pack Abs. This is what it is. It is a woman's, I guess a man could use it, but it's a woman's work bag. And lo and behold, I'll show you this later. This is where you keep your meals. So I'm going to try to tip the camera down. I'm sitting on my ottoman here. I hope you guys can see. Woo! Sitting here on my ottoman. Hope you guys can see. Sorry about the mess. We had Brittany and her friends here today, so she is going to be cleaning up that mess later. So anyway, this is the Renee Tote. It is a giant, I guess fake leather, even though it says leather, I don't think it's real, work bag. And since I took a new position more into the corporate world of nursing, this work bag is something that I needed for my work items. And I was not really into carrying an insulated lunch bag around on top of a work bag and all that other stuff. So I started researching female work bags with an area to keep your food, and I came across this. This was like totally by accident, but I am so excited. So okay, so here's what the bag looks like. It is awesome. It has wonderful handles that are not the kind to pull off. It is stitched on here so well. Sorry if you can't see my whole head. It has a bunch of pockets. This pocket on top is nice and deep, and the lining inside, look, it has people with barbells and all kinds of fitness little motif. Very nice, easy to clean. If you have to use a sponge in here, you can. 2 pockets in the front. I keep like my stevia and things in there. On each side is a giant area. This is where I keep my shaker cup, and there's one on the other side, and in it happens to be my sunglasses because I wore them this morning. It was very bright and sunny. In the bag, it holds a lot of stuff. My wallet's in there, business cards that they just had made for me, bag of my rice cakes. This is just an extra glass that I had. This little container that I keep my heavy cream in, my keys, a bag of protein powder that I never used, but I keep it in there just in case, and like if I'm hungry or something on the way home, I can just make a protein shake and bring it. It's a bag with some lipsticks and stuff in it. And I want to give you a good look at the inside of this thing. Here it is. This is the top of the cooler that I'm going to show you in a minute. But as you can see, we have a pocket over here with my pens in it. There's another pocket over here. There's, let's turn it around and show you. There's a big zippered compartment up here. And even though the top of the cooler is about, I would say about halfway down, you also have room for a laptop, for folders, for notebooks. In mine, I have my composition book that I've been writing notes in my new job, taking notes and things. I have a giant folder loaded with papers and materials that I'm going to need from work. Post-it pad. But here, I'm going to show you. It goes all the way to the bottom. So if you have a laptop, You could put your laptop in here. You could like take this on the train, on the bus, in your car, in an Uber. It is so clever. All right, so I'm gonna show you the back now. I'm gonna tip the camera back down and I'm gonna show you the best way I can. Sorry that I don't have a great setup for this, but okay. So, all right. So on the back, as you can see, they have this zipper. Now, here's your cooler on the inside. And again, that awesome fitness motif. People with barbells and things. I'll show you close up in a minute. An area to keep, you know, anything you want in here. And then your cooler, which unzips. I already unzipped it to make this easier, but this unzips. And voila. You have one container, two container. This one still has food in it. Haven't eaten it yet. And it is 6 o'clock almost, and the stuff is still cold. Here's another container. And here's another container that I did not bring today because I only needed 3 meals, but as you can see, it was only 2 because I didn't eat the other one. My bag of spinach. This is a full gallon size Ziploc of spinach. Didn't eat that either, but it's still nice and cold. It comes with these little gel pack ice packs that you can slide up in the top here, but I read reviews that sometimes they pop and break, and so I just prefer to use my own. And if you can see it, it's still frozen. This is from, what time did we leave the house today? 7:30. And it's 6 o'clock now, and this thing is still frozen. So you can't beat that. As you can see too, there's little shelves. This one does not have the shelves because I took them out. This is what it looks like. They look like they're plastic, nicely well made here. And these little snaps snap on to the upper portion of this bag. So you can have 4 little shelves for 4 containers, or you could take them out and have no shelves, or you could take one out like I did and have different size containers and things like that. Is this thing not the coolest? So it also came with, here, I'm gonna like pull me up a little bit. Okay, it also came with this, which is a vitamin supplement, whatever container. Has 6 little pockets. You could put anything in here, guys. You could put seasoning. You could put, I don't know, Advil. You could put anything in here, but it did come with it. I don't particularly take pill supplements and things like that, so I have no need for that. But how freaking cool. So on the insulated bottom, this is the, sorry guys. So you open it up and then here's your cooler. On the inside part of the cooler too, there's 2 zippered container pockets. They both zip. So you can keep your fork, your knives, your anything, straws, anything you want, you could keep in here. And your meals go in here and your ice packs go in here. And then you zip it up. Seriously guys, this was the best thing I've bought in a long time. I love it. Because I normally take a work bag and then have to carry my cooler around and all that other stuff. Anyway, look at this. Okay. Guys, this bag, think about it. If you travel, you could easily take this on an airplane. No one would know that you're walking around with your meals. But nobody knows that you're walking around with food. This looks like a work bag. I went into a meeting today with this bag with all my meals in there, my rice cakes on the top, everything. No one knew. So I would recommend it. This is the name of the company, 6-Pack Fitness. It's called the Renee Tote, and I love it. So I just wanted to share this with you. If you have a lady in your life who is looking for some kind of easy way to take her things to work and also include her meals, and this is a great gift. I mean, I would have loved this for Christmas or a birthday or whatever, but bought it myself. Last thing I want to show you too, it has the little foot pegs. which is great because you can set it down on the floor and you won't wear out the bottom. I love those little feet. So that's it, guys. This is my little review. I love this thing. I will be using this every day. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So anyway, that's the video. I hope you're all doing well. The new job is going great. I literally just got home. I'm making my dinner and then I'm gonna head out to the gym in about an hour. Thank you all for your support. It means a lot to me. I just wanna let you know that because it's been a little bit of a harsh time lately. Some people are not happy with the fact that I'm transitioning into other things at this moment. I don't know why. Somebody put it such a great way the other day and said they didn't realize keto was such a cult. But if you're gonna unsubscribe to me because I'm trying something new, then I'm sorry. But if you're sticking around, I appreciate it. All right? I just wanted to let you all know that. Talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.